Morning, everyone. Beautiful day out here in the Nevada desert. I'm going to show you some of my favorite. Looks like we got some company, folks. Not sure who's flying this thing, but...
Okay, seriously now, this is getting annoying. Can a guy make a video in peace?
Maybe if I hide behind here, it'll lose interest and go bother someone else. This little flying pest just won't quit. It's like it's following me on purpose. All right, buddy, you asked for it.
Gotcha.
Well, folks, that's enough excitement for one day. Sometimes you got to stand your ground out here in the desert.